All right, welcome back, everybody. Some sad news coming in. We have lost yet another athlete. The numbers seem to be piling up over the last couple of weeks. All right, this time it's Alex Quinonez, Ecuadorian sprinter. He was taken out in his hometown. They're going through some unrest in Ecuador. It's been 4 days of lockdown, and he lost his life on the fourth day. All right. Alex Quinonez is a 200-meter bronze medalist from the 2019 World Championship, and he lost his life in his home city of Guayaquil. That's the last time you'll hear me try to pronounce that. After a incident, okay? Now, according to reports, the 32-year-old was SHOT in a shopping area of Colina de la Florida in his hometown, the second largest city in Ecuador. All right. Quinonez had a best 200-meter time of 19.87, holding his national record for the 100, the 200, and the 400, and finished seventh in the 200-meter final in the London Olympics in 2012. His finest moment on the track, however, came at the World Championship in Doha 2 years ago when he clocked 19.98 to finish behind Andre DeGrasse of Canada and winner Noah Lyles of the United States to take home the bronze medal for his country. Now, in doing so, he became Ecuador's second medalist at the World Championships following a race walk medal by Jefferson Perez. All right. He was set to compete at this year's Tokyo Olympics, but provisionally suspended in July due to anti-doping whereabouts failures, meaning he was supposed to be tested and he couldn't be found. All right. Now, his death occurred on the fourth day of a state of emergency, which was announced by the country's president, Guillermo Lasso, to try and stop a surge in crime. All right. Rest in peace, young man. You are a top athlete, and the world of athletics will miss you. You are a fine representative for your country and for your region altogether. Okay. So there you go. Sprinter Alex Quinonez lost his life tragically. All right. See you next time, guys. Remember, like and subscribe.